Type Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, and today I have an LOL Surprise Confetti Pop Series 3 Wave 2. Oh no, string cheese. Okay. Here, I haven't got this one yet. Rock the Beat. Oh, that's so cute. There you go. Rock the Beat. Okay. Okay then. We got a gold ball. I wonder who's gonna be. I think I know who it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be Punk Boi yeah, Punk Boi. Rock the Beat. Who else is gonna rock the beat but Punk Boi? Right there. Okay. I also wanted Punk Boi. Because he's different between everybody else. He's female. I mean, not female. He's a male. He's a boy. Okay. He's either a color changer, a spitter, a mystery, a tinkler, or a crier. You know, it might not be Punk Boi. It could be anyone else. But I'm pretty sure it's Punk Boi. Come on, who else is going to rock the beat? Okay, here we go. Wow, I'm getting a lot of gold balls. I usually don't get gold balls. I usually get pink ones. Popular. Okay. Let's see if we look to this. See what we got. Okay. In here. Did it fly away? Oh, this is definitely Punk Boi. Okay. The cuffs right here. Cuffs right there. We definitely have Punk Boi. Yay! I always wanted him. Because, you know, he's a boy. I didn't really expect to get Punk Boi, actually. This is definitely Punk Boi. His trouble shirt with the sweater around his shorts. Okay. With the trouble shirt. Wow, I'm getting good luck with these LOL dolls. That usually doesn't happen. Oh my god. That usually doesn't happen. I usually get popular, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Okay. So we got his bottle right here. It's black. Missing. Have you seen meow? Aw, so cute. I love this bottle. Woo. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. I always wanted a boy. Was there anything in here? I got it. There's a cute little black shoes. I think there's like some designs right there. You see like little chains. Anything else? Yes, no, maybe so. Okay, now I can pull the string. Oh, blue confetti. I barely got any. No. In here? No. I barely got any. Okay, that's all I got. I was hoping I'd get a lot of blue confetti. I guess this is fine. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here is Punk Boi. He has a Bambi right there. He has a mohawk and yep, nothing else. He has a mohawk, some leopard, band-aid. I'm gonna get him dressed. Or let's look. He is. Is he rare? It looks like Punk Boi is ultra rare. He's either a tinkler or a color changer. And I hope he's a color changer. But I always wanted a tinkler, so that's a hard one. So let's get him dressed and then, yeah, let's see how he looks. Okay. I'm so happy I got a gold ball. Like, it's so cool. Okay. Put his pants on. The sweater around it. Okay, let's get his trouble shirt on, cause some boys are trouble. Okay. I just love the blue confetti. Like on a rare ball, you see gold and black confetti, but no, he has special confetti. Blue confetti. Where's his cuffs? Here we go. I love his cuffs. Okay. Anything else? No, just his bottle. Oh, he has freckles. He kind of looks like a girl just without the eyelashes. Now, I love that they added a boy. They kind of look like the girls just without eyelashes, you know? But still, I love it with this band-aid. I think I really like his band-aid on his leg. So I'm gonna go get some ice and see if he's a color changer or a tinkler. Be right back. So I put him in the freezer for a couple minutes and he did not color change at all. Nope, no color change. So here, I got some water. Hopefully it doesn't spill. I forgot to show you the deck too. Right there. So cool. Yes. One. Give some water. Okay, so now, see what he does. Okay, it looks like he. Hey. It's my stage. Move. So it looks like he tinkles. Yay, my first tinkler, and it's a Punk Boi. What's that? Is his hair turning pink? Kitty pie. Don't you dare. His hair's turning pink. What? Be right back. Okay, since Punk Boi did not like the gold bowl, he said it was too girly, so I got him a bathtub. Wow, his hey, it's my stage. It's hot. I'm sorry. You want to see? I'm color changing him. I knew. He's probably wondering about. He's probably wondering about all his brown stuff. Aww. The little sister drew all over it. I'm sorry. I wonder if anything else color changes. It looks like only his hair color changes. Do you think that's cool, Kitty Pie? Hey, this is my bathtub. Ah! Anyways, bye bye, my little pies. I prefer cake.